Courtney is learning how to get started with our resident nerd on call, Ryan Eldridge, this morning. Hi, Court.
The king nerd is in the building. Yes,
all right.
And I love it. Okay. Hello, my liege. All right, so we're talking spring cleaning your tech.
Yes. Now, normally we do this segment every year.
Yeah.
And normally I come in and talk about staph infections and freak everybody out about their phones being dirtier than the toilet. But we're going to clean other parts. This is going to be a little bit different. So check this out. So if you've got a phone, and who doesn't, there are probably 90% of the apps on this thing you're not even using.
Very true.
But since online privacy is kind of a big thing, did you know that a lot of the apps, even if you aren't using them, are still recording your data? They're still using your locations. They're still using up your battery. Just get rid of them. Just purge them.
Okay.
On an iPhone, it's relatively easy. You've got to dig into the settings a little bit, but if you go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, and then click on Offload Unused Apps, it'll automatically remove the apps you aren't using. How cool is that?
So it already knows what you're not
Now,
using.
if you're an Android user,
yes,
then you have to use an app to do it. Anyway, you add this app. It's just called Unused App Remover. It does the same thing. It looks for all the apps that you aren't using and then kind of says, hey, these are the apps you aren't using. You want to remove all these, and you can just purge them all at once. So you also want to move to the cloud. If you're using Microsoft Word or you're using Calendar with Outlook or whatever, let's just get it all up in that cloud now. So Google Docs works great because you can manage your tasks, you can manage your documents, you can share and collaborate. That's pretty cool. Go ahead and open up a Dropbox account. They give you 2 gigabytes free. You can put a bunch of stuff up there, send people links to your stuff, and they can download it for you.
Okay.
You can also use Sugar Sync, and this will sync not only your laptop, your computer, your phones, your tablets, and everything, and back them all up and sync them all so you can have that document on everything all at once.
Cool.
Get in your DVR, get rid of the Kardashians. No, not really. What you want to do is get in there and clean out anything that's in your queue that you know you're never going to watch. The documentary about like birds in Australia, you're not going to watch that.
It's recorded last July.
Just get rid of it. Come on, you're not that smart. No, I'm just kidding. You want to do some basic tech maintenance? I'm not that smart. I'm not going to watch a thing about birds. Come on. So anyway, so do your basic tech maintenance. I know you don't want to, but do your Windows updates. For goodness sakes, do them, people.
But they take so long.
I know, but you got to do them. Just do them once a year at least.
Okay.
At least. If you got a Mac, just go ahead and go up to High Sierra. They're coming out with a new version in probably sometime around October this year.
Okay.
So you may as well just upgrade to this one. It's free. Just do it.
$3.99.
Antivirus. If you're running an antivirus and you've been running the same one for a while, you might want to consider just switching. The reason why is sometimes different antiviruses find different things. We recommend WebRoot, but if you've got Avast as a free one or Norton or something like that, just try switching to a different brand just for this year. See what it's like.
Okay.
Also, tackle your inbox. Get rid of all those messages you aren't reading.
Tina Makua. Sorry.
Yeah. Also, set up automated filters. So that way, if you get important messages from your friends and family, they go straight to your inbox. Anything else you can kind of ditch into a folder or whatever. Use Unroll Me. This will unsubscribe you from a bunch of different applications so you don't have to worry about it. And last but not least, let's tackle some cords. What do you say? So here, I brought some gifts.
Oh, look at you come bearing gifts.
Check this out. We went to the Container Store and spent like 20 minutes. But look at this. You can label your stuff so that way you know what they are. You've got little zip ties, or instead of using zip ties, use Velcro. These are really cool. So you can unwrap them.
And super easy.
And this can bundle all your cables that are behind your TV, right? And make them nice and clean.
Love that.
This is called the Apple Core. Look at that. You can just wrap up your things. This is $3.
Cool.
And you can wrap up your stuff. And then last but not least, you got little cords for managing next to your bed. You just tack these onto your thing and you manage your cords.
Bing, bang, boom.
How cool is that?
Awesome stuff. All the deets. If you missed any of that, we're going to link to our website. Nerds on Call. They know everything. It's under our website, gooddaysacramento.com, under show info and today's date. Ryan, once again, thank you, my liege.
We killed it. We did.
Nicely.